people, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much and welcome back. I have not said it yet. This is the first video for 2022, so happy new year. I'm wishing all of you an abundance of love, blessings, prosperity, everything that your heart desires. Do not hold back. Go after it, accomplish it, and get it. From the title, I'm sure you can tell what we're talking about today. I cannot contain the smile on my face. One, I'm happy to see you guys. Two, I haven't had a whole lot of people to share my 2.5s with. And three, we are talking about Chanel. Oh my god, you guys, I was so excited when I seen the launch and I seen the Red Camellia. I was like, oh my gosh, what is this about? So of course, 2.5 story time. Of course, my client advisor reached out to me and he's like, Cheraye, do you want to get this? Here it is. I'm like, look, send it over. Here's what I want. Of course, I thought, you know, it was all just going to be beauty, skincare, makeup, and everything like that. But as I was looking through the lines, they had a fragrance. So I was like, oh my gosh, I have got to try this. So you guys, I am super excited to tell you about it. I took myself some notes because she likes to be prepared, darling. If you just are interested in this line, if you want to hear my thoughts, my opinions, my first impressions, real talk, you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, and if you're not, here's the time, plugging it in. Follow me on Instagram, come over, say hi. We have a great time over there. It's just a real chill vibe. Just come over, say hi, and hashtag if you're a heavy sprayer. So anyways, yesterday, I received my package yesterday in the mail, immediately ripped it open and just started to go in. Of course, I ordered two things. It's not a limited edition, so it's going to be there for a while. So do not feel the pressure to run out and buy everything. It is going to be with them for a while. I asked if it was a limited edition. They said no, so we should be able to get it as we need it. So I was really interested in getting my hands on the fragrance mist. Now, this is not a fragrance. I mean, it's not a perfume. It's not a parfum. It's not an eau de parfum. You know, it is a mist, and I can truly say it's a mist. So back to what I was saying before I got so really interrupted with my thoughts. I received it yesterday, ripped it open, sprayed it immediately, and I was like, oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, first impression, I was like, it brought two things up right off the bat of me spraying it. It brought happiness. It brought back a memory, and I was like, I smelled this before. I was like, this feels so familiar. It feels like I already have this. And I was like, what is it? And I couldn't put my finger on it because I'm like, I don't have any fragrance that smells like this. You guys, it's their skincare. If you, you know, have any of their skincare, like I'm about to make up the name, Hydro Beauty or Huda Beauty, if you have that, if you have any of the Sur de la Mage, you guys, these names, okay? And I am not French, but I'm trying. Or what else? I'm looking over here because it's over here. If you have any of their beauty products, it smells a lot like that. So I have it here. I'm not gonna keep you waiting. It's called, I'm gonna call it number 1 de Chanel, okay? I wanna call it Uno One de Chanel, but I'm trying. This is my best French I'm giving you. I'm trying. So this is it here. This is Le Rouge, okay? Le Rouge. That's what I'm calling it. You guys, the packaging was beautiful. Of course, I had to get it for the simple fact. Hold on a second. I can't even get it out. Of course, I had to get it because it had the red bottle. Now, if you remember a couple of years ago, at this point, I really don't know. Chanel came out with number 5. It was something that was in the same color type bottle. I thought I was going to take my time and pull up and get it when I wanted it, and it was gone. And it was sold out, and I have not seen it come back. So as soon as I seen this, I'm like, I'm not waiting. Send it over, please, right away. So this is it here. I'll get it, like I said, up close for you. It is a beautiful bottle. I love the color. Let's just break it down. Let's start with packaging. This is the packaging here. It is nice. It's simplistic. It's colorful. It's fun. The attention to detail, you know, only as Chanel does with the cap there, the double C's. She loves the double C's. It's gorgeous. Of course, I had to have it. Let's go ahead and get a look at the mister here. It is a mister, you guys. I can spray it on me. Very finely mist. Okay, for those of you that don't know the sprinkler system, let me just share a little bit of it with you. That's how it comes out, just like a mist, like a body spray, like a mist, a very fine mist, evenly distributed. And you can do a little like that, just a half spray, or you can, did you see that? It lasts for a little bit. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It just smells like a little bit of their makeup. It smells a little bit like their beauty line. It smells like Camellia, okay? So I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. Something else that I did notice, when it came, it didn't have any cellophane on any of the products that I ordered. I also ordered this, which we'll get to. Now, it did not have any of the cellophane on, so I was like, okay, so they're doing something different with their packaging. So I went ahead to read up on it a little bit more. Looks like they're moving to friendly, environmental, let's save the planet type of packaging there, caring about the planet. They want to leave less carbon footprints. So they have gotten rid of that. Even if you ever notice when you buy Chanel's products, they always come with a little pamphlet or a little booklet. That's no longer in there as well. It now comes with the QR code, and all you have to do, I did it last night. I felt so like good because I'm like, this is so innovating. This is so like extra. This is so over the top. It's so different, and I absolutely love it. All you do is you take your phone and then you put it on the QR code, and then it brings up this and it gives you all the information about it. So there's no longer the little booklets or anything like that. None of this stuff came with booklets or anything like that. They all came with this QR code. So that's how you would be able to find out about this product if you wanted to know more. Of course, I did receive a little sample that came with it as well. Absolutely, I'll probably be sharing this with somebody who says that they want to try it. So, and they don't have a way to get to a store because I already have the full bottle, so I really don't need the sample. I also got a couple of the other products that came out with it, which is Red Camellia Revitalizing Eye Cream. That's what these two packages are here. I'm gonna try that. It's always good to try a good eye cream. A little bit of the notes inside of the fragrances. It does open with a citrus note, but it's not really citrus. It is fresh, it is clean, but it's not like a fresh clean like a Dolce & Gabbana light blue. It doesn't give you that kind, but it is an effervescent, sparkling, energizing, what would you say, mood lifter right out of the bat. That's what I got from it. It uplifted my mood immediately, and it made me think I have smelt this before, but I was just thinking of their other products like their beauty line and their skincare. It smells a lot like that. What else can I tell you about it? It has citrus, red berries, rose, iris, musk. It's very sparkling. Now, a lot of times with Chanel's fragrances, we get that powdery smell, and we do get a very strong sense of iris. Everything is really blended to perfection, I would say, because I really don't get a powdery note in here. The iris is not overdoing it. It's not extremely sweet. It's very refreshing. It's very something right out of the shower. You don't have to give you a 2.5 story. You come home from work, or either you're heading out for the day and you're going to come out of the shower and you're going to spray something. This is something you would spray. You would lightly mist your body, or if you're a heavy sprayer like myself, you would go in with this. You can use this as a standalone and just wear it on its own, or you can use this and pair it with any fragrance that you want, and you can use it as, you know, just out of the shower and then put your other fragrance that you're going to wear for the day on top of it. I have worn it alone. I have not worn it under anything. For me, I did get about in all honesty, I got about a 4-hour wear out of it. For the first 2.5 to 3 hours, it really did project. Now listen here, it's not beast mode. It's not projecting like clear across the room. Nobody's gonna come in. I don't know what they're gonna do for you. This is what happened for her. Nobody's gonna come in and be like, oh my gosh. Now, if you had just come out of the shower, you had missed yourself, sprayed it all over you, maybe walked a couple of feet or got in the car with someone, they would get an initial smell of you. Is it going to ride with you and be on like the wheels all day? Absolutely not. At about the 4th hour, 5th hour mark, I was like, oh my gosh, it turned into like a skin scent. It sat extremely close to the skin, but if you go in and you do a hard, you were still able to get it. And it's like I said, it's very refreshing. It's very upbeat. It's a mood changer. It's a mood just uplifter. And I love those type of fragrances. Very sparkling. Do you need this in your collection? Cheraye, do I need this? Do I have to have it? No. But I'm biased because I am a Chanel lover, darling. So I wouldn't say you have to have it. Is it a nice to have? Yes. If you're a collector, if you're a huge Chanel lover, if you're a fan of the brand, is it great to have and add to your collection? Absolutely. This is a 3.4 fluid ounce. It retails for $110. That's how much you're getting. It's paying that much, in all honesty, for like a fragrance mist, a body spray, and a sense of a scent. It is the first that I have seen like this. And you guys, let's just be honest, it's Chanel. It was new. It's fragrance. I had to have it. I wanted to add it to my collection, and I absolutely love it. I have no regret. But would I say that you have to have it? No. Would I say that, you know, it's a huge beast mode, huge projection? No, it's not a perfume. As I stated, it's not a perfume. It's not a eau de cologne. It's a mist. It is truly what it says it is. It is a mist that can be layered on top of your fragrance or either under your fragrance. That's exactly what it is. No more, no less. It's a mist, but it is beautiful, and I absolutely love it. You guys, I already have a dent in it, like a small one, but it's so good when you first smell it, and it just makes you happy. The smile is real. You can always tell what a fragrance is given to me because that's the only thing I can give to you. And this fragrance just makes me happy. Or the fragrance mist, it just makes me happy. It's beautiful. The color is vibrant. It's different. It's going to look amazing on my vanity sitting next to my other Chanel family. So I will just take this one over and introduce it to the family. This is my thoughts, first impression, and opinion on number 1 de Chanel. Oh my gosh, that name. Secondly, you guys, I did pick up this. This This is what this looks like here. This is called the Lip and Cheek Balm. So you would take this out, and I'm not going to put it on. I'll swatch it. I think I've already swatched it, so I'll just put a clip in. I believe this is retailing for $49. Like I said, is it extra? Yes. I mean, you can go and get CarMax for like $2, right? $2.99. So yes, is it extra? Yes. I can't make it make sense because it may not make sense to you. For me, it made perfect sense. So I picked it up, but it is Chanel. You can use it for blush. I mean, I'm not going to put it on. I'm already doing a glow here. I'm not going to mess with the perfection already. Okay, I'm not going to do it. But you can put it on as a balm. Like I said, I'll probably do a get ready or something with me. I don't know about that, but I'll probably wear it, and then I will, you know, show you guys and tell you this is the one that I'm wearing today. It's a really pretty color. I love their vibrant reds. I believe it's like a blue red. It's really, really pretty. I swatched it. I'll show you guys the swatch if I haven't showed you already. And that is my first impression and opinion. So let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you'll be picking up anything from the brand. Let me know if you've already picked up anything from the brand. I've already heard from quite a few of you like, Cheraye, what do you think? What are your thoughts? These are my thoughts. These are my first impressions. These are my opinions. If anything changes, I will definitely come back and let you know. I do want to try some other things from the line. I believe they have a serum that I want to try, a serum mist that I want to try. I think that will be uber fun, but I have a ton of product that I'm trying to still get through, so I don't want to be wasteful. So I want to make sure that I use that up first, and then I'll probably play with that. They do have the under eye cream that I want to try. I'm always on the hunt for a good under eye cream for prevention and just everything like that, and I'm always looking to try something new, so I'm definitely looking to put that up. What else did they have? They had the foundation, everything like that. I never really get a good match when I try Chanel foundation, so that's something I would probably have to go to the boutique and try more, because I don't want to order it online, because I'm just, you know, I would rather be matched first before I just order it online. So that's what I have. Those are the ones that I really wanted to get my hands on, the lip, cheek, and the lip cheek balm, and of course the fragrance here. So let me know, like I said, your thoughts. What are your opinions on it? Will you be picking anything up? Have you already picked something up? Leave it in the comment section below. I would love to know. Happy to see you guys. Happy to be back. I missed you so much. It was so funny. I heard from so many of you, and you're like, girl, what is going on? Where are you? You guys, I was on a break. I was just in the house all day. Don't worry, I'm vlogging right now. I'm going to tell you all about it in a whole nother video, because I have some skincare stuff to tell you too that happened to my skin. Don't worry, we're going to talk about it in the next vlog. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for being here. As I stated, happy new year, happy new beginning. And like I said, anything that you set your mind to, you can do it. That's not just a quote. That's not just a saying. That's real life. I'm a witness. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, darlings. Thanks for watching. Bye.